Perched at 3,100 feet above sea level, Jump Off Rock in Laurel Park offers one of the most breathtaking views in western North Carolina. Just 30 minutes south of Asheville, this hidden gem provides a panoramic look at the Blue Ridge and Pisgah mountain ranges. Not an avid hiker, or maybe you have some kids in strollers, that's okay. Reaching the rock is easy. The main overlook is just steps from the parking area, making it perfect for all visitors. But if you're looking for a little adventure, there are 3 short trails, easy, moderate, and more challenging, each winding through a peaceful forest before leading back to the scenic view. My husband and I are novice hikers. These trails are relatively short, however, they do have some steep inclines. Be sure to wear the proper footwear, bring plenty of water, and it's worth noting there are no bathrooms at this park, so plan accordingly. According to local Cherokee folklore, the site is named after a tragic love story. The legend tells of a young Cherokee maiden who fell in love with a warrior. When he left for battle, she would visit the rock to watch for his return. After receiving word that he had been killed, she was overcome with grief and leapt to her death from the rock. Some say her spirit still lingers, and on moonlit nights, a ghostly figure can sometimes be seen at the overlook. One of the early settlers in the area prior to 1860 was Josiah Davis. The family lived in the area of what is now known as Jump Off Rock. The Davis family used dynamite and an ox-pulled sled to begin building the road known today as Davis Mountain Road. Whether you're here for the views, the legend, or the history, Jump Off Rock is a must-see destination in western North Carolina. Have you visited? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more hidden gems.